गणतंत्र दिवस उपलक्षे अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन और शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी। आज आमर कुनि कुनि पिलामानकर दुईटी कार्यक्रम रही। प्रथमे से छोट छोट स्पीच भाषण दे भाषण जनइबे देवे प्रदान करेंगे। आमर गोटे कार्यक्रम अच्छी नाच गीतर। थर्ड अच्छी आमर हूँ गोटे स्क्रिप्ट से आपण मान आगे प्रेजेंटेशन देवे। आउ तेणु आम गोटे छोट गोटे उपहार आनीचु कुनि कुनि पिला हाथ में प्रदान देवा। आउे आम गोटे बड़ करताली सहित छोट छोट पिला उत्साहित करवा।
Republic nation. Our constitution has been written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which was the world's largest constitution in the whole world. Republic Day is a national festival. On this day, the President of India unfurls the national flag at Kartavya Path, New Delhi. It is the day of pride, integrity and unity for all Indians. On this special day, I would like to tell few more words about one of the dynamic national leader, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in Mhow, Madhya Pradesh. He was one of the crusaders of caste discrimination and untouchability. He was a social reformer and inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement in India. He was appointed the first law minister of the independent India. He was made the chairman of the Constitutional Drafting Committee and considered as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. He was awarded the most prestigious award in 1990. One of my favorite messages written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs those who prepare for it today. Thank you.
May die for an idea, but after his death, the idea will incarnate itself in 1,000 lips. A very good morning to one and all present here. I'm Nalipta, and today I'm going to deliver the speech of Subhash Chandra Bose has told on 17th August 1945. Brothers and sisters, a great new chapter in the history of India has came close now. The sons and daughters of East Asians have secured a permanent place in India. By contributing men, money and supplies, you have been a shining example of patriotism and sacrifice. I can never thank enough for your generous response to my call total mobilization. You gave your generous donations in cash and fund for the war by the provisional governments of India. Like a perennial spring, you sent your son and daughter to Azad Hind Fauj and Jhansi Ki Rani Regiment. Never necklace has gone waste because you have paved the path of the deliverance of our motherland and became the inspiration for India and all over the world. I am more aggravated by the fact your sufferings and sacrifices has not yielded the immediate results. The future will bless you and you will be speaking with pride at the altar of the Indian independence. In this unprecedented juncture in our history, I have only one word for you. Don't be disheartened by our temporary defeat. Instead, be cheerful and hopeful. Above all, never lose faith and hope in the destiny of India. Because there is no power on earth which can keep India in bondage. And too soon to be Jai Hind.